Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to start an LLC in Massachusetts. Firstly, go to the Massachusetts Business Entity Search and make sure your desired name is unique and follows state naming rules. Two businesses in MA can share the same name. Also, choose a registered agent. It's also called a resident agent in MA. Must have a physical address in Massachusetts, no PO boxes. Options: yourself, friend or family, or registered agent service. We recommend Northwest Registered Agent, includes a free year with LLC formation. Now, file with the Secretary of the Commonwealth to a certificate of organization. The fee is $520 online. You can file it yourself or use a service like Northwest or LegalZoom. Now, you need to create an operating agreement. No required, but highly recommended because it outlines the ownership and management of the LLC. It's needed for opening a business bank account and legal protection in disputes. Not filed with the state, just keep it in your records. And also there is free templates available like PDF, Word, Google, or Docs. And finally, you need to get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Get your EIN for free in the IRS at irs.gov. Used for filing taxes, opening a business bank account, hiring employees, or getting licenses or permits. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.